guys, welcome back. I'm going to continue with our WordPress tutorial and show you how you can use the one-click demo import plugin to import the demo for your theme. So right now, because we've installed the theme, we can see different options. You can see the themes option, you can see several other options that you can use to customize your theme to your taste. So now we're going to use the import data. We're going to appearance and click on the import demo data. So when you click there, it's going to take you to where you would click to import. You can see the demo there. Some teams have more than one demo, so you will see all the list of demos there, but right now we can't install the demo because our theme is not activated here. So we're going to go and activate the theme first. So scroll back up, you're going to see options that says please activate your license to get full access to the theme. So click on that. It's going to take you to where you input the license numbers, the license digits for the theme. So what you're going to do is go back to your ThemeForest account and go back to that file, the theme you bought. Go to your account. Yes, so scroll down to downloads, click on downloads, then identify the theme, click on the download button, and you're going to see license. Yes, license and purchase code in PDFs and in TXT, in text. So you can go with text, so it's easy for you to copy. And after you're done downloading, just locate the code, open up the file, locate the code, copy and paste. So that is how you activate, and then click on the activate button right underneath, so you can easily activate the theme. And after activation, then you're free to do whatever you want to do with the theme. Now this is really important for every pro theme that you purchase. So go back to import demo data. Now scroll back and then scroll down, and then you can see import demo data. Click that. All your data are going to be imported and the website is going to look live, like you don't really need to do a lot of edits anymore. So currently it's importing. Let's just wait. Okay, now the importation is done. You might, yes, the importation is done. Some of the things that you were trying to import might not import because they are just pictures or some irrelevant files, but of course the necessary things you need on the web page is going to come up. So this is the log of showing that everything you imported was successful. So you can read it if you want to understand every part of what you imported. So let's just go back. So now we're back, and now let's refresh the page that we have and see how the page look like. So now the website is looking like a finished product because we just imported data. So this make it easy for you where you have series of landing pages that comes with a particular theme. So importing data is really easy. Most of these premium themes always comes with demo data that you can use, and you can of course start from scratch yourself if that is what you want to do. So if you check pages, you see that all the pages you need have already been created, including the ones that can be used with WooCommerce. So everything is already set, it's automated. So if you check the posts, you can see that they're already live posts there. But of course what you want to do is you want to make sure that you clear everything. So click on all and then move to trash, then apply, so you know that you deleted everything. Go to your trash, do the same thing to delete permanently. Select all, go to bulk, select delete permanently and apply. So now you've cleared the post, you can now create your own post yourself. So you can also go to medias, more or less, like to check if there are pictures or images that would require you to remove. Currently, most of the images on the website were from a link, so there is no image that you need to delete. So the next thing we're going to do is going to customize. So on the customize page, you can do several things. So just go to appearance and click on customize. So on the customize page, there are several options you get here. It comes with, for different themes, there are different options. Some might not be as much as this one that you're seeing here. So here you can change, you can see that the images are linked. It's not like the image are uploaded on the website, so you can see the link there showing the image. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.